Hey guys, what's up? Sorry if I sound a little bit stuffy. I'm just getting over a cold. Today I have a Bangs shoes unboxing for you guys. I am so excited. I forgot to get a sharp pointy object. Bangs Shoes is a company that I am partnered with. They are an amazing, obviously, shoe company. They have this amazing community of people who we post every month on social media. We hype each other up. We have like book club meetings and game nights. Like, it's literally just this great group of people. I hope one day we can be somewhat normal and safe again and do in-person meetups again. I would love that. But also their shoes are really, really cool. They have so many cool designs. They're all vegan. I just love them. It's a small business. I can't hype them up enough. I have one pair already and I love a lot of their designs, but none of them are really like me. And they finally released a design that I was like, oh hi. I was like, yes. This is what I like. You want to be part of this? Okay. What's in here? What do you think, Jenny? What is in here? What's in here? I'm so excited. Hi, Jenny. Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. This is my first time seeing these shoes in person. I themed my outfit for these shoes. So they're a solid blue shoe with an embroidered design. This is their first navy blue shoe and look at that color. Isn't that so nice? Okay, we're ready for the design. I'm so excited. It looks so cute. I love stargazing, and so when I saw they released this really simple constellation shoe, I thought it was just super cute. I love them so much. I love being part of this community so much. I mean, I think it's even bled into Jess a little bit. We're hoping to find a shoe that literally says Jess when she looks at it, so we haven't found that one yet, but I love this. This is my second pair. I am in love with it. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I love these shoes so much. If you guys want a discount, go to the description below. Love it, love it, love it. So excited. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.